On this Friday afternoon at 4:30, growing measles concerns in our state. The Connecticut Department of Health has confirmed another case of the viral infection, and that brings the total in our state to 4.
And this, as you can imagine, is a concern, especially for parents whose children are in school. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Patricia Del Rio is live at the Department of Public Health in downtown Hartford. And Patricia, are they releasing any new details about this case?
Well, what we do know is that this is a child that is school age. They're not telling us how old specifically the child is. We only know that the child is from Fairfield County and that this child became sick in early October. They're also not telling us at this time whether or not this child was vaccinated against the measles virus.
Now, Patricia, obviously, we're talking about a school-age child here. This means, do we know if any students were actually put at risk with this situation?
Well, I actually asked that direct question to the representative from the Department of Health, Dr. Matthew Carter, and he says that the kids at school were not put at risk because this child was not in school during the period of time that the child would have been infectious, meaning, the 4 days before and the 4 days after. So what they are looking at is places that the child visited. First place they're looking is, of course, the pediatrician's office, and then, of course, any other place that this child went. Coming up at 5 and at 6, you're going to hear from a pediatrician about who specifically is most at risk. And you also hear from a person who talks about their feelings against the effort to take away this religious exemption for the vaccine. You'll hear from both of them at 5 and at 6. We're live in Hartford. I'm Patricia Del Rio, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.